All right, what I'm looking at right here is Fat House Garage's air conditioning unit for Coyote swap Mustangs on the 94 to 04 platform. And it came really nicely packaged. Everything was great. And I'm just pulling things out now. It looked really nice. The reviews were great. I really just I went this route because I didn't want to use the CCRM and do all the wiring. I mean, there's a guy, Nathan Hensley, who does really nice work, but the clutch doesn't turn off when you go wide open, etc. So this wiring harness, very cool, very cool. Just in time for the 4th of July weekend. All right, so I've got the fender liner out. The accumulator's going in. I've got one pilot hole drilled in. I am worried about contact on the accumulator on that bolt right there at the bolt head. But yeah, that guy will go in there right there. And then I'm gonna mark out. I'm gonna tighten it with this one on there and mark out the next one because it's gonna fall right around this lip right here, and I want to angle it best so I keep it away from there so it doesn't rub a hole. But instructions are pretty clear cut. All right, it's in. I'll have to angle it a little more. The video and the pictures have it kicked a little more, so I'll have to adjust it, but I don't have lines in, so not critical at the moment. All right. Well, this one goes right there. Oops, you guys can't even see. That's gonna go right there, this one. Yeah, let me get from the top. All right, let's show you what's going on down there at the pump. We got the high pressure and low pressure. High pressure comes up right here. And that low pressure is right here, routes. And that's what goes into the accumulator. That low pressure, or is this the high pressure? This is the high, I don't know what this is. Whatever it is, it's getting plugged in. I'm not an AC fucking mechanic, so, matter of fact, I'm not even a fucking mechanic, I'm a welder, so that is what it is. This one goes in 90 at the top, 90 into the condenser, or whatever it is. All right, I'm doing some wiring back the next day. Right here, oh, sorry, that's in the way. Right here, pin 18 off the cowl. So if you look at the diagram on the Ford Racing Control Pack, it gives you a diagram of the wires, and I already did it. It's running already. Well, the wires run already, and that is for the ground control. It's this black one right here, coming out of the pigtail. I soldered it and then taped it back up. Shrink tube. Next on the list is the TPS signal, and that'll turn off the clutch when it's at watt. So people that do usually hook up their ACs and don't use the Fathead garage system, they use their OEM wiring, that block that you disconnect to take the engine harness off. They utilize that. I took it out. I don't even have it on the car. It's over there on my oops. It's that mess right there, all of it. Forgot to mention, what I did keep is the power distribution box. You do need that for all of your lights and your fan, and so it like piggybacks off the two computers, and that's tucked in under here. It's right there. You can't see it, but that's the top of it. I welded some brackets to the car and screwed it on, or bolted it on, I should say. But yeah, she's almost there. So off the PCM, this one is for the engine. Getting pin 10, which will be for the TPS signal, the 5-volt reference. And it's numerically from the top one, that blue one, or whatever. I'm colorblind, so whatever color that is, that painted one, 10 over. So it's that one right there. It feels great. Oh yeah, Gap in Cheeks has never been so cold. I gotta get that piece of junk